Right now, in just 3 steps, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing on Instagram and go from zero to your first $1,000 in affiliate commissions. Remember, some people are good at school, but others are good in affiliate marketing. Come on, let's go! The step number 1, my friends, is going to be choosing where do you want to make your money in affiliate commissions. In fact, you have a lot of options: fitness, hobbies, luxury, travel, wealth and businesses, relationships. You got it. We are talking about the niche of your product that you want to make money from. And guys, this is crucial. At the end of your journey, this is going to be the difference between saying this affiliate marketing doesn't work and say to your current 9-to-5 job,
hasta la vista, baby.
I know, people. You want to make money in the first class niches, where it's easy to make game-changer sales. I get it, and it's fine. My only 2 recommendations are these. 1, you need to like to talk about these things. You should easily talk for an hour about topics related to this niche, and don't feel bored. And 2, you need to have at least a little bit of knowledge that you can use to teach to people who are below you in terms of experience. Just a little bit. You don't need to be a guru to try to make money in a certain niche. Phew. Knowing this, the next thing that you must do is niche down in some specific area of your niche. For these 2 reasons. 1, you are going to grow your Instagram page more easily. And 2, make sales will be easily as well. What the hell is that? Hey, easy buddy, easy. If you like fitness, examples of sub-niches are bodybuilding, weight loss and calisthenics. Or in the wealth niche we have real estate, investing, or make money online. You must dive in even further, but that is another story for another video. Shh! But now, let me tell you a little secret. Once you select your sub-niche, now you need to go to Google Trends and follow this advice. This is between you and me, okay? Type a basic keyword of your sub-niche. For example here, how to lose weight. And as you can see, there are a worldwide interest in this topic. But what you should do is focusing on the map, and you will figure out if our ideal customer is searching a lot about this. Who is our ideal customer? People interested in your topic and which can pay a lot for your affiliate product. Where these people come from? The United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia and New Zealand in the most part. If there are a high interest about your topic in these countries, you are ready to go. Looking for other examples, you can see which niches have more interest than others to get some conclusions about your strategy and the affiliate product that you are going to promote. There are hundreds and hundreds of affiliate products that you can choose, but my top recommendation about this is focus. Please focus in one single product.
Concentrate in one product and you will have all the money that you want.
Searching fast online, you will find products on ClickBank or Digistore24 to choose products to promote. The weight loss niche, we have something for you. The hobby niche, we have something for you too. And the make money online niche, oof, of course we have offers to choose to make potentially a lot of cash. That's the way we like it, isn't it? But obviously you can search for products outside these marketplaces and promote products like Shopify or Builderall to make a quite interesting commission. You will find the link to these videos in the description box below, where you will find more information about it. And by the way, if you are finding value from this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Remember one thing, I am a beginner just like you, learning all these things. Just like you, my friend, we are in the same journey. So, before we dive into the next step,
smash.
The step number 2 is to get free traffic for your affiliate product here on Instagram. And there is one simple but very effective strategy to do that. Content marketing, part of something bigger. Attraction marketing. Instead of chasing people all day long on Instagram to convince them to buy your product, with this strategy, the only thing that you need to do is to put some cheese out there, and naturally they will come to see what you have to offer to them. You are going to create content for a brand new Instagram page and start building that first source of potential buyers. In the case you think you don't have the creativity to do something like this, listen carefully to this now. You only need to focus in at least 3 types of content on Instagram, which works in almost every niche. The infographic style, the motivational style, and the short video style. If you don't have any idea of what posts to create, don't worry, you can start anyway. Go to the hashtag and the explore page and you can start to find interesting content which Instagram is promoting outside, and you can get inspiration with these images to create your own posts, or simply you can repost these images straight away, always giving credit to the author, and provide content for your page fast. But if your idea is to create something unique and powerful, a solid Instagram affiliate business, the best approach that you can take is creating your own posts with your own logo and branded colors. There are more profits waiting for you in the long term if you take this approach. To create this content, you have 3 options. Number 1, for free you can go to canva.com and start creating and designing your post or recreating someone which already exists. Go to the homepage, select create a design and choose Instagram posts. Naturally on Canva you can design with the style that you like the most, especially if this is an infographic style. Add cartoons, letters and more cool stuffs. You will find in the description a tutorial about how to design these images on Canva. The number 2 is use some kind of a professional photo editor like Adobe Photoshop. Here you can have more designing freedom to make the post whatever the style you want, although it's true that this is the most expensive option. Personally, I use a very old Photoshop version, a portable version from 2007, and by this way I am able to create my own posts and the thumbnail for my videos. Only recommended if you already have Photoshop and you want to take care about the content creation for yourself.
3:28 a.m.
But of course, this is going to be time consuming. Or you can take the number 3 and outsource completely the content creation and buy and get ready your content for very cheap prices, even in the business and the fitness niche. Or go to upwork.com and hire a professional designer to make all your posts with a very high quality. Now you are hiring people for your business, not being hired by someone else.
Master, am I ready? No.
No! Of course no! I want you to do something before I show you the next step. Please, quit the shortcut mindset at the time to make money online. It just can't happen. Every people who promise you to make $10,000 per month in 22 days is just lying. That is impossible. Even more if we have little or no money to start. Something that you can build in one day will be destroyed in one day too. And with that being said, check out this now. The step number 3, the stages of growth. Now is the time to attract people and potential customers to your page and eventually to your affiliate offer to make your first $100, $500 and $1,000 online. Let's divide this step in 3 stages. The first one will be going from 0 to 1,000 followers, and I just want you to do 4 basic things with consistency to achieve this goal as fast as possible. 1. Do your hashtag research. Hashtags is one of the best ways for new pages to start getting the first amount of followers, and you can do this research for free using 2 methods. Go to the top hashtags related to your niche and start diving and collecting these hashtags that you see right here. The more targeted and related is this hashtag to your sub niche, the better, and preferably choose it below 100k posts to see the best results. And the other method is going to some free hashtags generator. In this case I'm using the Kickstart hashtag generator. Select the best match choice and type here the keyword /hashtag that you want to dive in, and you will find other combinations of hashtags kind of similar to the first one, and use this in combination to the first method. From 9 to 15 hashtags per post will be enough for our purpose of growth. 2. Interact with similar pages in your niche. Boys and girls, this is going to be crucial in the beginning. If you want to be noticed in the battlefield, you need to go to those pages which have similar content and in the same niche, with a content which spread a message or a vibe kind similar to yours. You need to follow them and activate the notifications. Why? Because every time they post something new in their feed, you need to be fast and type an insightful and meaningful comment related to the post, so you will stand out from the first minute and you will have a ton of eyes focused on you. Repeat this process 10 or 15 times per day consistently, and you will see how you can build a strong number of fierce followers just using this tactic. Another tip about this is that in these popular pages where you are going to do this, you can check the pages that these big boys are following. Most of the time, these are pages which will be interesting for you to keep applying this simple, short and fast, but effective trick. 3. Interact with your first audience. This is the part in this stage where you start transforming these random people in real and devout followers, and eventually some of them will be hot buyers, ready to give you their money for the value of your affiliate product. Reply to their comments, go to their pages, like their posts, and comment something insightful as well. Start a conversation with them through DMs. Ask them what problems they have and start providing some tips for free to help them. But the key is this: they are telling you for free what their problems are. Awesome! Now you have the right information that you need to know how you should communicate your offer in a way where they can see a potential solution for their struggles. Interact with them also through stories, polls, questions, recommendations, upcoming posts, behind the scenes videos. All these things are going to build the most important asset in your affiliate business: a loyal community with an emotional connection with you. And 4. Content automation. This one will be huge in order to save a lot of time while you focus in other things which are more important for your success. Easy and free, using the Instagram Creator Studio. You can check this video in the channel to get more information about it, in how to create an Instagram page for affiliate marketing. And a bonus tip here in this stage: don't promote yet your affiliate offer.
What?
Yes, I know, this sounds confusing, but here's why. Anyway, you are not going to make any sale with the amount of traffic in these first times. Go and focus all this time to build your following and create connections on this social platform. Because if you do this right, without BS like follow and follow, you will see how every single sale will be effortlessly applying the ultimate strategy for every single affiliate marketer. The second stage: learn and start building your first sales funnel. People, if you are not using a sales funnel, chances are you are losing the 90% of your potential sales. We don't want that. 5 things you will need in your sales funnel in order to make all the sales that you want. Number 1, a lead magnet. Some kind of freebie, a piece of content that you're going to give for free, which appeal to most of your audience and match the same idea of your affiliate product. Some ClickBank products provide you with lead magnets to attract customers. For example, Custom Keto Diet, a digital product which teaches you how to lose weight using this specific diet. In their affiliate resources, you will find a lead magnet to use it in your campaign. There are more ways to find lead magnets. You can go to IDPLR, open an account, and you will have access to a ton of content that you can use for free as lead magnets. Or you can use Canva too to create your lead magnets, ebooks, checklists, and little things like that. And why? Why do you need a lead magnet? Because you offer this thing for free in exchange for the email address of your potential customer. Where are you going to do that transaction? In something called an opt-in page. The number 2. Here is where you announce the freebie and where you are going to ask for the contact information of your potential customer. This thing is what you need to promote in the link of your bio. It's the only way for now where you can put a link on Instagram. By owning the contact information, you not only have the chance to promote this affiliate offer more effectively, but on top of that, you will have the chance to promote other related products to make even more money, guys. This is cool, my friend. Later, your customer will see a thank you page where you can show them a video talking about the product and their benefits. Or you can show right away the sales page to expect a little bit of sales. Just a little bit, because almost all the sales occurs in the back end, in your first email follow-up, where your work is to start building a stronger relationship with the prospect, plus start showing and talking about the product. People need to watch at least 7 times a product to make a purchase decision. This is why it's so important, this step. At the end, there will be a final email with the last chance to sell.
It's now or never.
And now, finally, your affiliate sale is made. Remember one thing, this is why affiliate marketing is the easiest business model to create passive income, because all this process, the sales funnel and the follow-up emails will be built once. Later on, it's just about tweaking it and optimize it to get better results. You can do everything. Every single process with Builderall, a software that can help you to achieve your business goal at the cheapest price in the market. There is no competitor offering so many features and with such a low price. You have in the description a 14-day free trial to check it out and see how it works. Because once you have established your traffic on Instagram and you have your first funnel ready to make commissions, we enter in the third stage of growth. From 1,000 to 10,000 followers. Keep doing it like in the first stage, but now add these 2 things. 1. Collaborations. It's all about to set strategic relationships with other pages to increase reach mutually, always in the same niche and with a kind of similar size. Doing free shadows on stories to meet multiple new audiences and repost some mutual content. And the number 2 is improve your engagement. How? Discover the best time to post to maximize organic reach with your followers. You can analyze that in the Instagram Creator Studio, or you can go to a place like InGrammer and use the Profile Analyzer, and in this section you will find quickly the best time to post for you, based in your story profile. And the other thing that you should do is ask to your followers what is the type of content that they like the most, so you will have a better idea of future and the right content that you should post out there. Alright people, listen to this bonus tip. This is the difference between a page which makes $1,000 per month and other which makes $10,000 per month. Reinvesting your profits. Yes boys, this is a business, and if you want to make more cash, you need to put some cash too. And don't worry, it doesn't cost too much to make a really good extra income. The first thing is to start running Instagram ads. But only, this is key, only to people which have been watched and interacted with your content. The well-known retargeting ads. By this way you are reaching faster even more potential customers that already know you, to show them your opt-in page, so your ad cost will be way low than the average ad spend. You will find a tutorial for free of how to do it here. It's like running any other ad. The only difference is that you are going to only target people which have interactions with your page. That's all the difference. With a small budget like $100 and $150 will be enough to start. And the other way to reinvest your profits is Instagram outsourcing. Now you have everything scheduled and ready to go with the Instagram Creator Studio. But this can become a fully passive income business if you now can hire a professional designer, finally, to get your post ready with any work coming from you, and using some tools like Uplip or Kickstand to automatically interact with new people and increase your followers organically. Nothing related to spam or bots, guys. No. You need to look and be clean if you want to crushing it on Instagram. Tell me, are you ready to start Instagram affiliate marketing?
I know Kung Fu.
In that case,
Show me.
Show me what you have. Remember always that the first step is always the hardest. What separates you from being an employee to be a boss. My name is Claudio Garcia. I forgot to say that in my last video. And I see you in the next one. Come on, make the money chase you.